Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a Porsche Cayman 987. We've installed a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS into this car, as well as an audio upgrade and a rear camera, subwoofer, etc. If I was to pop the ignition on now, there we are, you get the Porsche logo up. We've put that in, which is a real nice feature. This unit has got Apple CarPlay, wireless and wired. It's also got digital radio, FM. It's also got multi-camera input. We have got a direct camera button here you can press. There we are, and you can see what's behind you. Nice and easy. But this also goes in when you go into reverse. It comes up, mutes the stereo, and comes up and shows you what's behind you as well. It's a really nice upgrade. We've used the USB in the back here, so that section there is for the original USB. That is connected directly to the KENWOOD as well. If you'd like to have this done in your 987 or any other Porsche come to that, please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.